Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got another good one for you today. I know I always say that. Have you heard the expression, when pigs fly? Well, we're gonna make pigs fly all over the smoker today. We're doing pig wings. Now, pig wings, okay. Well, if you can have buffalo wings, you can have pig wings, right? All right, I first saw this on Jeremy Yoder's channel. He did some Porter Road pig wings. So I decided, man, I gotta try that out. So stick with us today. We're gonna do some pig wings. Hang tight. Okay, so what we have here is we have some Porter Road pork wings. Pig wings. How about that? As I said, when a pig flies, right? Well, we're gonna let them fly around the grill today. See if we can get these out. They come pretty secure in this package. Let's open them up. And here's what we've got. Now these come off of the lower leg of a pig. You see we've got one small bone and the rest of this is meat. Both of these look that way. There's that little bone right there. I would be willing to bet that this is going to draw back enough. And we have more right here. So let's go ahead and take this out of the package. And here's a couple of more. There are 4 in these packages that we got from Porter Road. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these, and it's got a little silver skin on it, but honestly, I believe that's gonna cook down and not make a whole lot of difference. So we're using the Pit Boss pellet smoker today. So I'm gonna leave that on, and I'm gonna turn that heat side down. So what are we gonna use? Well, Gator Shake. I have not found anything that Gator Shake won't go on. And so I'm on the nice coverage of that. Also, I'm going to use Smoke Bomb. Uncle Steve has got a little something for everything. All right, this is a little more pepper heavy, and you see immediately, you can tell that it is adding more pepper. Pat it down good. We're gonna flip it over. We're gonna do the meat side with the Gator Shake first. I do love the smell of Gator Shake. And then a little of the Smoke Bomb over the top of that. Now, this is actually covering the sides pretty well too. You want to make sure you got it all the way around. All right, I want this to hang out for a little bit before I go to the heat. And when I take it to the smoker, I'll bring you back. Okay, we've got a grill up to temp. We're going for 200 for the first hour. You see we've got the smoke rolling on the Pit Boss, and that's what we want. We want to get some good smoke on here. I'm going to close it up. I'm going to put these pig wings right in the center. All right, and there we go. Close it up. And okay, we're gonna come back in an hour and check on it and see where we are. And when we do, I'll bring you back. Okay, we're an hour in. Let's take a peek at what we got. Okay, we're doing pretty good. Now what we did is the first hour, we let these smoke on 200. So we're gonna take and we're gonna turn this up to 250. And the second hour, we're gonna start at 250 degrees. So let's go another hour, and when we do, we're gonna bring you back. All right, 2 hours in. Let's check on it and see where we are. Oh yeah, look, we're starting to get good color. Let's check the temperature and see where we are. Mid 150s, 162. That one's 175, 173, 74. All right, well, they don't look like they're drying out. I mean, look at the juice that's coming out where I just stuck them. I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna let it go. It may be as much as another hour, but we're gonna keep a close eye on it. And for the next step, we'll bring you back. Okay, we're 3 hours in, and it's time to check our temperature. So let's open it up, see where we are. We got nice drawback. Oh yeah, this is starting to feel 202. Oh yeah. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our barbecue sauce that we're going to use for a glaze, and we're going to start putting our barbecue sauce on. Now, I've let this sit out. It's warmed up considerably. You don't want to go straight from the refrigerator to your meat with barbecue sauce. It'll just glob on. All right. Let's take, I'm going to turn this over and do the other side. So maybe 15 minutes or so. We're going to let that glaze set, and then we'll bring you back. All right, well, about 10 minutes. This glaze should have had time to set. Look at this. Is this pretty? Oh my goodness. Pig wings. Who ever heard of pig wings? These sure look delicious. And they got a little handle. See that? Let me walk up here and show you this. Does that look delicious? All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to shut everything down. We're going to let this rest for a little bit, cool off. Way too hot to eat right now, and then we're going to try it. And when we do, I'm going to bring you back. Okay. Here's my favorite part. Look at that. Can you see it? Pig wing. I'm going in. I'm gonna try a bite. Man, that's good. Look, just as juicy as it can be. That flavor's got something. I'm sorry. I gotta go back in for again. Can't describe it. Let me tell you, that's a lot better than a chicken wing. I believe I like it better than a buffalo wing. That's good stuff. Man, this was so easy, so quick. You can do it as a tailgate on a grill with 2-zone heating. Oh my gosh. Take a smoker with you. You got people coming over for a football game. This is the stuff here. Good stuff. Thanks for sticking around to see how it turned out. If you haven't already, how about hit this circle over here, subscribe, I'd appreciate it. I'll have another video just for you on this side. Like the video. Until next time, hang tight.